that you have 30 minutes to spell the word. If you don't know the word, you just say pass. Your 30 minutes starts now. Spell the word cat. C-A-T. The word dog. D-O-G. Money. M-O-N-E. D. Spell the word jug. J-A-G. Jump. J-U-M-P. Good. Where is Vincent? Inamia. Na Vincent wewe. Ukianguka hata kamoja tunakuchangamkia staff room. Yaani kila kitu nataka upass. Umesikia? Nimesema nini? Pass yote na pass everything. Upass kila kitu. Ukiingia hapo hakuna kukosa. Ukianguka wewe tutakuchangamkia wewe. Hebu enda nini ukuje. Na ukikosa kila kitu utafute penye utaenda. Staff room mzima tunakumaliza. Hatuna huruma na wewe. Remember that you have 30 minutes in this spelling competition. Your 30 minutes starts now. And remember, if you don't know the word, you just say pass. And I repeat, you say pass, and I will pass and go to the next word. Your 30 minutes starts now. Yes, I'm ready. Calendar. Pass. Email. Pass. Sender. Pass. Background. Pass. Rat. Pass. From. Pass. Lens.
Nataka muniombe.
Pass. Pin. Location. Pass. Your 30 minutes is over.
Nataka muniombe.
Yes, ingia kuja tu venye
Kumekucha.
Vincent.
Ai!